Walking in the coldness. Parang nasa freezer lang. As if we are in the freezer palangga, no? You must be careful. It's like in the freezer, -8. Wow. Ano siya? Mas live kapag maglalakad ka ng maayos. You walk here. Nicht so schlimm. Bei mir auch. Komm. Hallo. Hala, maraming tao sa labas. Many people is outside. They are playing in the snow. You know. Normally it's very cold. -8. Because the coldness from North Pole is coming here in Germany. And then we are more northern in Germany. That's why we have Geklingel bei Tanti Nam. My friend's house, my best friend's house is here. Honey, you have a very red face. Yeah. Yeah. Here.
Und du nicht?
Nice. No, it's only blast.
Das sind Leute.
Where are the people? Here, many snow. Sige. Ay. Honey, meine Handy ist gefroren, wenn es nicht in der Tasche. Grabe, ang lamig. Very cold. My hand is painful. Tingnan nyo guys, marami siyang mga maliliit na mga bato. Ayan, look. There are many small stones. Kasi to avoid the slippery, they put that one. And they also sprinkled here salts or small stone, so that is not our neighbors. Misha. Oh, look, the people there. Oh, naglinis sila. They are cleaning the pathway. Because it's a regulation here in Germany, you must clean the pathway, your pathway. It's your responsibility if the people is slide and yeah. It's okay, your shoes?
Okay.
My shoes also, it's okay. Winter shoes, but then my hand, it's freeze. My hand, it's painful. And then you must walk really in where is the stone, honey, no? Because it's not slippery. Without a stone, you will slide. It's dangerous. So, we are almost at home. Gleich nach Hause, gleich zu Hause. Si Palangga. Inday, Sarah, you will not build a snowman today? Look, here, ang ganda. Very white. Si Honey, oh, pulang-pula na siya. Very red face. As if you drank an alcohol. Dong, lasing ka dong, lasing. Very red your face. But my face is not like that. Palangga. Langging. But then Sarah is a little pinkish. Oh Lord. Dito na kami. Ito yung mga snow sa amin. Tingnan nyo guys. Look. But then it's windy and very cold. Sige. So you remove. You get. Sa kabila. The other side. Grabe. Ang lamig guys. Sarah, you open. Hindi na ma-open. Tingnan nyo yung snow pumapasok na. Malapit na. Kasi windy. Hi, we are already inside.